Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Now, yesterday's live stream which I've done some biryani. I think that's how you say it anyway. There was a pick of two things, what to have, either that or this. Piri ciabatta sandwich, chicken. £1.85 from Tesco. Now, I liked the one yesterday on the live stream. Nat didn't really like it. It was a bit dry for her. Now these, I'm hoping, are going to be delicious. If they're anything like the paella I've done, absolutely gorgeous. It says they're new. I've got 2 boxes because I served 2 and 4 of us are going to have them. It's nice and simple, guys. All we got is some chicken breasts, 2 onions sliced up, a bit of salad, and some ciabattas, and we want some mayonnaise, which is in the fridge. That's it, really. So first things first, let's open these and let's have a quick look. I will put all the ingredients on the screen for you. I'll get it offline. It's just easier that way. And it's just 5 steps, that's all. So let's open it up and have a look. You only usually get 2 seasonings in, I say. You've got the piri seasoning, and you've got the balsamic sauce, which is for the onions. So I'm hoping this is going to be really delicious. So step 1 is heat a pan on a medium heat, evenly coat the chicken thighs in the seasoning and fry for 6 to 8 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them to marinate for a minute. I'm going to put the seasoning in and let them marinate for half an hour, just to get extra flavour. Because that's what you want, innit? You know what I mean? So, move them out of the way. We'll get a bowl with the chicken. We'll get the chicken in. There's about 12 pieces. I had a couple left from the live stream and I went and bought some more. So I'm just going to fry it all up, guys. Get all them in there. Should have used the glass bowl, shouldn't I, so you could see. All them in there. We'll need a little bit of oil in, and we will get the piri seasoning in. I say we'll put both in because I say it does 2 and there's 4 of us going to have it, so get it in. Both packets. Oh, that smells nice. I do like piri as well. I do like a bit of piri. We'll get that a mix, get it all coated, and we'll leave that to marinate, guys, just while we toast up the ciabatta cobs, breads, whatever you want to call them. Okay, got my pans warming up, guys, from my good old cobs. We're going to get some butter in. I'm going to use 2 pans because I need 2 pans for the old chicken anyway. Little drop of oil in there. We're just going to toast the old buns up. Just a little drop. Okay, pan's nice and hot. Get them in. Let's get them toasted. Only the one side. That pan I bought today from Aldi on the special buys. 18 quid stainless steel thing. The cobs are done. Buns, rolls, chapati, whatever you want to call them. Now onto the chicken. A little bit of oil. Probably don't need any oil, but... And we're going to get all the chicken in, guys. And we're going to fry it up until it's all cooked. It says 6 minutes each side, but just make sure they're cooked, that's all. Get it all on there. Lovely bit of sizzle there. Oh, I've got more than 10. Oh, we've got loads. One more. Yeah, we'll get that little one in there, won't we? Right, let's fry them up, guys. Both sides. Let's have a look. How are we getting on? Oh, yes. We'll get them a turn. I'll probably turn them a couple of times. It smells absolutely delicious. It really does. Oh, those ones look nicer. I tell you what, guys, the smells in this kitchen are delicious. I'm telling you, it smells gorgeous. I'm just keep flicking them, that's all. Won't be long now, a couple of minutes maybe. Oh, look at them. All that goodness in there, look. We're cooking the old onions in that, guys. Oh, yes. Definitely cooking the onions in that. So you can do this in the air fryer, can't you? You know what I mean? Marinate your chicken with the seasonings and just do your onions in a pan, couldn't you? But then you ain't going to get the goodness of all these chickens into your onions. Okay, chickens are done. I'm going to get them in a bowl. Look at all this goodness, guys. Keep them nice and warm in there. That'll do us. On to the onions. Right, we only need one pan now, so I think we'll use the one with the most goodness in it. Get all that in there and all. Oh, yes. Lovely and hot. Get me onions. We're going to fry them up, guys, till they start going translucent. And coated in all this goodness. That's all the old onions, nice and soft now. Now we've got to get our balsamic sauce in. So it's 1 sachet, obviously if you're doing the 2 here, with 25ml of water. Well, I'm going to put 50ml of water in with the 2 sachets. And then we want to turn it into a nice little goo. So it gets nice and sticky, guys. That's going to be delicious, man, that is. With all that off that chicken there. Oh, no, it is. Nice and slow until it gets all gooey. What are you doing, babe? I was later gone to Judy's thing.
Yeah, I've got fun, spray paint them in a minute.
Oh, okay. So, what do you reckon, guys, eh? I reckon it looks delicious. There's Nat's. Get a better picture of Nat's, look. Put it on a white plate. Looks nice, doesn't it, Bab?
That looks really nice. Very nice.
Let's get it down our neck.
It smells delicious.
It smells good. There's loads of chicken left, so we can have more anyway. Let's get a bit closer. I put nothing on the top. I might put some chili jam on. I do a lot of chili jam, but we'll try this first. And good to know, I haven't got a white top on, so I should be okay. Oh dear. Let's get it down my gob.
I like that. That's very nice.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Right all in my mouth.
The piri.
Oh, that smells
It's delicious. Look, get off fly. The onions, balsamic onions, they're lovely, aren't they?
Oh, yeah, is that what it is, balsamic?
Yeah, you got all paint on you.
Yeah, my hands are clean. It's just
That's nice, you just paint it, I'll just show you, didn't I? She's doing it for the neighbour. The dog passed away, didn't I? She's doing a little plaque. Oh. It's nearly finished now, ain't you?
I've just got the other side to do now. And then put the flowers on and stuff. I'll show you when I've done it all.
Yeah, that is delicious.
That is gorgeous.
Oh, £1.85 for that stuff, guys.
That's well worth the money. Makes delicious sandwich like
I
that.
don't need any chili jam on there or anything. That's fine as it is.
I've got some really nice flavours in that house. The chicken's nice and soft as well.
Chicken's lovely and tender. A lovely piri flavour. Bread's are lovely cooked in that butter. the onions to die for, ain't they? That balsamic glaze.
I love balsamic. It's so nice.
You do, it's one of your favourites, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
So, guys, that is 100%, 100% yes.
This is my favourite.
I would, 100. If you want a sandwich, yes, you can make your own. You've got, I mean, I've got, look at all my ingredients up there, I've got loads, and I look, you know, I can make my own. But for something cheap and convenient, if you wanted something for like now, you know what I mean? It's well worth it, ain't it, Bab?
That's my new favourite sandwich, that is.
You think so? For
Chicken
like a weather
sandwich.
like this, chicken sandwich, like this.
Chicken.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice. So well done. I think it's Tesco's own brand, isn't it?
It's not over spicy neither.
No,
it's there. It's by your glass thing. It's not like over spicy. It's got a nice kick to it.
Yes, Tesco's own brand. It's new, that one. 4 chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. 2 rolls. 1 large red onion. 40 gram of mayonnaise and a bit of side salad, guys. That's it.
Could you marinate it for the next day or not?
Yeah, of course you could. You could marinate. You could do it in the air fryer, couldn't you? Apart from the onions. I mean, you could do the onions in the air fryer, but you ain't going to get the flavour. So it's easy to do. I would 100% recommend that. I've got some more there as well, so I'm going to try a few different ones of them because I think they are really nice. But anyway, guys, there we go. 100% recommend them. Tesco's Piri Ciabattas. Chicken. Delicious. Until the next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.